Hello, my name is Diana, and today we're going to be doing abstract cardboard face. And my face looks like this, and I do layers on top of the face. So the supplies that you'll need today is, of course, cardboard and any scrap cardboard you have, so you can put layers on top of it. You're going to need scissors, newspaper to line your table so you don't get your table messy, paint, and a paper palette. I use an egg carton so I can reuse it every single time, and also it holds the paint a lot better. And then you definitely need a paintbrush and a bucket of water with paper towels to dry your paintbrushes off. And then you'll need Sharpie or kind of markers or paint pens to do the details right here, like you see on the eyes and the bow that I did, and maybe some other details that you want to add. And then of course glue to glue all the layers on top of each other. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so here's my cardboard. I'm going to show you, this is just leftover from my children's playhouse that they destroyed, those cardboard cutout houses, and these are the pieces that they ripped off and don't want. So I'm using any kind of scrap leftover cardboard. I'm going to use this side so I can show you how to cover it with paint. But if you have a clean side on the back, which both my sides are not clean, so I'm going to just use this side to show you. And then I have scrap pieces of cardboard for the eyes, the nose, the mouth, the ears, and any kind of accessory that I want to put on my person's face. So I'm going to trace a face. You can choose any big shapes that you want. I am going to do I'm going to do a funny shape. Maybe pointy, because that'll be easier to cut out. Maybe like, this is kind of like a Groot face. From Guardians of the Galaxy. But it kind of looks like a Groot face. But I'm going to use this face, and then I'm going to cut it out, and then I'm going to paint the colors over it. And then I'm going to cut out pieces, do the same with different size pieces for the eyes. And you want to cut out different shapes and stuff like that, so that when we're gluing it on, it will look like, a very, abstract and I guess different kind of face. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, so I have cut out all my pieces. This is my base, and these are going to be my eyes. I should work it upside down for you. These are going to be my eyes, the mouth, the nose, and it's okay. My ears are a little bit off, but that's the point of the image. And I haven't decided if I'm going to put a top hat or a bow on this person, or I'm going to put both. They have two sides of the head where they can hang off. So this is going to be the base of my face. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and paint them. Okay, so I went ahead and decided that my person is going to have a polka dotted skin color. I did a base on the first one I did. The first background I did was a light color, white/peach. I wanted to cover all the markings that were on the cardboard, and then I did another layer of yellow, and then I did my polka dot green skin. And then these are the shapes of my face features. Some of the stuff I went back, like you saw where I added white to a certain color, so it makes it lighter, so I can, do layers of color, or use Sharpie to create light eyeballs and stuff on it later. So later on we're going to do more layers of, paint over these pieces so that the features will pop up a little bit better. So we're going to let this dry and then come back and do another layer. Okay, I'm going to add some eyeballs and details to details to my face. this is that, and then maybe some details to the ears, maybe add some earrings, and kind of do some shadowing with the nose too. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to add the details for the eyes with my paint markers, but of course you can use Sharpie or the finer details with marker. You can use Sharpie if you want. I'm using a paint marker, so you know there's a different variety of supplies I'm using. So go ahead. I'm going to go and I'm going to also add details to the hat and maybe and some other pieces. Okay, so I have my pieces here. Some of them are, you know, still a little bit wet, but I'm going to go ahead and assemble them. So all you need is glue now. So I have my eyes. I made funny eyeballs, and I have my nose, and I have my mouth, and then I have my ears. And then I think I'm going to put the bow on top of the top hat. So I'm going to go ahead and assemble this. Hopefully this works. Okay. So here is the final cardboard abstract face that I did. Go ahead and try it out and send us a picture and with a message of what you did through our Facebook. Go ahead and please like us, like this video, and share this video with your friends. And I hope to see you again next time. Thank you.